Hello, welcome back to another presentation learning lesson. 今天我们会再上一个演讲技巧课。So I'll be talking about visual aids. 我们会讲的就是视觉辅助。So there'll be different kinds of visual aids, but I'll be going through a few in the next few lessons. So these are the types of visual aids: posters, PowerPoint slides, diagrams, and also others lah. So I'll basically be using 4 lessons to talk about these different types of visual aids. 所以我会用下几个星期讲视觉辅助的不同的种类，所以有海报、幻灯片、图表和其他的啦。所以我应该是用下4个星期讲这些视觉辅助。Yeah, so today I'll be talking about posters. 所以今天我会讲的就是海报。So here are some examples of posters. Posters have different functions. Some may be to convey information, teaching people how to do certain things like how to save water, public hygiene. Sometimes it's just posters to tell you about something, like movie posters, event posters, to tell you that something is happening and what is it about. 所以这是一些海报的一些例子啦。所以海报有不同的我们会在不同的情况用海报，所以一些就是好像在教别人怎样省水，还是怎样保持卫生。但有时候好像电影海报或者一些演唱会的海报，就是跟你讲那是几时发生，在那天会发生什么事，会有什么人。Okay? So, what makes a good poster? 所以怎样做一张好的海报呢？ So first one is that you'll be able to read it from a distance. So the words are large enough for you to read. So some words may be bigger than others to get the audience to focus on different parts lah. And the poster should not be too wordy. So a poster should not have too much words. Depending on what you are presenting, there may be more words, but even then you should be able to limit it to just a certain amount, because posters mostly it's supposed to be like pictures lah. It's supposed to help the audience understand something better. So some of you may use posters during presentations as well to explain certain things. So you must ensure that the audience, right, maybe the ones that are sitting at the back, will be able to see what you are presenting as well. 所以第一个就是可以远距离的阅读，所以海报的字应该要够大，所以有些人可能在演讲的时候也是会用这些海报来解释一些内容，所以你要确保你的内容可能坐在后排的那些观众能读到一些主要的内容啦。有时候在海报里那个字有些会比较大，有些会比较小，是让观众知道哪一个是那个重点啦。可是海报不能有太多字，所以海报应该有一些照片的嘛，是让那些观众更加了解你要跟他们讲的信息。So yeah, next one is to have some images. So images helps it add some color and also make the poster look more attractive. And it also helps to emphasize the main message. So sometimes words can only explain this much. So when you add a picture to the explanation, it helps the audience understanding lah. 所以第二个就是加入一些图片，所以图片会让那个海报有一些吸引力，会有一些不同的颜色啦。Then 你能用这些图片来强调那个主要的内容。So the next one is to organize your text. So organization is very important because it guides the audience to where they should look. So like for example, you might want to bold your title, underline it, make it bigger, and then your body paragraph maybe here, and maybe somewhere else. So these may be like different paragraphs. And then there may be some final details at the bottom, like maybe some smaller print smaller details that you need to write at the bottom. Then add your pictures, put your pictures strategically, make it flow lah. Basically make sure your poster has a flow, that when someone else reads it, they know what to look first and then what's next and so on and so forth. OK， 所以第三个就是要整理你的内容。所以这个海报你要让观众知道哪一个是主要的观点 ，then 也是让观众知道怎样读你的海报。所以这里有一个例子，所以你的标题可能是在上面 ，then 可能你要放大 ，then 放厚一点，所以你观众就知道哦，这是那个海报的主题。then 你主要的内容你可能会放在这边，then 中间放一个照片，then 上面又放一个照片，then 最后的内容放在下面。所以你这样就能让那个观众知道怎样读你的海报啦，可能是从上面读到下面这样，then 有一个小的照片在这边给他们看一下，所以这样就那个观众就能更加了解你要表达的内容。Alright, so now we have an activity. So prepare your worksheets. You might want to do this together because I'll be going through the activity like right now, and then you all have to like jot down the notes 啦。所以现在我们会做一个小的活动，你们要准备你们的作业先 ，then 你们可能要一起做啦。So basically we are going to analyze the next few posters and decide whether it is good or not, and give reasons to why it's good or why it's not good. OK， 所以现在我们会分析一些海报 ，then 决定它们是一个好的海报吗 ？then 为什么 ？So first one, what do you all think of this poster? So if you all want to discuss, you all can pause the video now and discuss a bit 啦。所以第一个海报就是这个，你觉得这样的海报可以吗？如果你们要，你们可以在这里停下那个视频先 ，then 一起讨论一下。Okay, so to me, I think this poster has some issues lah. Firstly, there is way too many words and the words are way too small. Like I wouldn't want to read this poster because there's too many words and even though there's like colors and all that, there's like some pictures, I feel like it's a bit messy also lah. Yeah, and the words are very small. So even when I'm sitting on my laptop right now, right, I can't really see the words. So that's how small it is. Okay, 所以我自己觉得这张海报那个字太多了 ，then 那个字也是太小了。我在这里录这个视频的时候，我现在看，我也是好像看不到那个字，是太小了。OK， 虽然这个海报有一些颜色、一些图片，如果我是观众，我可能会对这个海报没有太多兴趣了。Alright, so the next poster, is this poster okay? So y'all can pause the video now and do a discussion. 所以下一个就是这个海报，你觉得可以吗？你们可以把视频停下来讨论一下。Okay, so I actually think this is a very good poster. I think it's very organized because you can see where to read first and like the organization, and it's very colorful. Like I like the colors that they use in this poster, and they use pictures. So you realize that they did give their information, like it's an event. They did tell you what is going on, and you know what is going on, but majority of the poster, right, is being the space is being used by pictures. OK， 所以我觉得这张海报是挺好的啦，因为很整齐，我能知道怎样读，从上面读到下面啦。then 有很多颜色，是一个很七彩缤纷的一个海报。then 他们也是用了图片，所以虽然这个海报没有很多字，可是我知道海报是要讲什么。我是要讲一个派对在哪里发生，几点，哪一天。then 可是我虽然那个海报没有很多字，可是那个你第一个就是知道那个内容是在讲什么。then 第二那个海报其实我看他们那个用那个海报的地方大多数是用来放图片而已 ，OK， 所以我觉得这个海报是挺好的啦。Okay, next, is this poster okay? You can pause it and then do some discussion. 所以你觉得这个海报是可以吗？你可以停下来这个视频来讨论一下。 So I think the good thing about this poster is that they use pictures. Like it's about recycling, so they put like the recycling posters, the recycling picture, then like some birds. I think these are birds and all that. But I think it's too messy, and you can't really read the words because of the colors that they use. Like you know what they're talking about, but I feel like it's just too cluttered, and the words are just everywhere. Like like it's not very pleasing to the eye lah. Yeah, but there's colors, and they did use pictures lah. So I think the pictures is the good point, but I think it's just too messy. OK，所以我觉得这张海报的好点是他们有用了图片，所以他们是讲关于环保的一些内容，他们就用了那个环保的那个图片，then 也是放了一些鸟，then 颜色也是 OK 啦，但是我觉得有那个字太乱了，then 那个字他们用那个字的颜色读不了那个内容，then 因为很乱我不知道我应该是要看哪一边先。then 是他们把那个字放的那个位置不太好啦，我觉得。Okay, yeah. So that's it for today. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, then make sure that you have your worksheet filled up already. So if you missed out on the picture in the video, you can actually see it in the worksheet as well. I've provided it in the worksheet as well 啦。OK， 所以如果你们没有什么问题，就确保你们已经做完你的作业了。所以如果你们刚才没有时间好好看那个海报，你们可以在那个作业里再看，因为我有把那些海报放进那个作业里。OK， so that's it for today.